Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 26, Radio Frequency, Display, Mk05. SparkFun Micro OLED Breakout. The SparkFun Qwiic Micro OLED Breakout is a Qwiic-enabled version of our popular Micro OLED display. The small monochrome, blue-on-black OLED screen presents incredibly clear images for your viewing pleasure. The OLED display is crisp, and you can fit a deceivingly large amount of graphics on there. This breakout is perfect for adding graphics to your next project and displaying diagnostic information without resorting to a serial output, all with the ease of use of our own Qwiic Connect System. This version of the Micro OLED Breakout is exactly the size of its non-Qwiic sibling, featuring a screen that is 64 pixels wide and 48 pixels tall and measuring 0.66 across. But it has also been equipped with two Qwiic connectors, making it ideal for I2C operations. We've also added two mounting holes and a convenient Qwiic cable holder incorporated into a detachable tab on the board that can be easily removed thanks to a V-scored edge.
Now the Moteino here, in here. This receive the sensor here. The here receive here and display here. So the battery and this and this, the radio wave here. See, good for the sensor and here. Now radio wave and display here. Receiver here and send here. The display here and wire here, battery, and this wire here, this Moteino here and here, sensor, battery, and wire and tools. This the receive here and the tools here. Radio wave here, wire here, and display here. Serial 1, network here, and serial port here. The restriction here and key here. Radio wave here. And process here for pitch and roll and this. LEDs, the display here, and the version here. This, the radio wave, and LEDs here. This here, the yaw, pitch and roll. This, the same thing here for here, and this here, like the formation here. So this and this good setup for the setup for display here, and here and here yaw here, pitch and roll, and that's it. This setup for radio wave here and receive, and this good good. And now this here, it's like the act good, so the act good, the LEDs, and after here, down here. Set up for serial port, time for wire here, this, the display for LEDs, and radio wave here. This, the formation here, send. This include here the radio wave here, sleep, wire, and the sensor, this, and around here. NUS here, network here, ID, gateway here, AC and display. Key here, and key here, encryption here, delay 1 second, radio wave here, send and load here, and hack. This LEDs here, the sensor for here, your pitch and roll, this, the version here, this here, sensor here, this, the radio wave here, and 1 second here. This, your pitch and roll, this for perfect here, this here, the setup for radio wave here, pitch and raw, and here, and this here, good, length, and here, the load here, set up here the radio wave, the LEDs here, and send the payload here. And after the LEDs down and sleep, and that's it. Set up here was here, the LEDs here, wire, the setup for radio wave, and the roll and pitch here, and that's it. Now first the send here, and this sensor good, and this now the here receive here, and this the sensor for here, display for this, so perfect for the radio wave. So this is good for receive and send for here. Bye bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.